Hello folks, Jason Schultz here. Today we're going to take a look at installing Google Drive Stream file. Let's begin by opening up our Google Chrome browser. You should find that on your desktop. And once that comes up, make sure that you are signed in. You should see your face or some letters. Just recognizing that you are signed in, you'll see it says at ddsb.ca. Going to the waffle, click on your drive. Once that loads up, we're looking just below, again, your face or something that you have there, looking for the wheel or the cog or the gear, whatever you call it. And once you click on that, you will see it says Download Drive File Stream for Windows. By clicking on that, it'll take you to a web page where it gives you some information about how to install it, downloading it, steps, system requirements. All, of course, you should be fine as long as you're using your ILP laptop. And you have two choices, downloading for Windows or downloading for Mac. So I'll be putting this on a Windows machine. And brings up to where you want to place the file. I put it on my desktop, recognizing what it says. I hit save. Give this a few minutes here. It's going to download in your Chrome browser. It shows the bottom left-hand corner. Once it's done, small file, you can click on it and it'll start the download and installation process. Giving it a few seconds here. There it is. And downloading is complete. And through the magic of the internet, I will shorten this. Now it's installing. Almost done. You could hit close here, but notice at the very bottom here, you now have two new icons. One is your Google Drive file stream shortcut, which is at the bottom. All right, looks like it wants us to sign in to Google. So this is your standard board Google sign-in at ddsb.ca. We'll have to sign in a couple times here, it looks like, at ddsb.ca. And finally, our standard password. It doesn't matter what you click on here. And installation is complete. It says it's now installed that, which is nice. And as I was saying before, down below, you should see these two new icons, the symbols for the drive stream file. All right, so clicking on this, it just gives us a little bit of an update. Downloading your files, making available offline without a connection. A really nice feature. And once you click on Open Explorer, you'll see that it's the G drive, and you'll see My Drive. So this is a very familiar File Explorer look. And all of my files are there that are from my Google Drive. Clicking on that, you'll see the most recent things that I've done in my Google Drive. And going to the File Manager, you now see it says Google Drive File Stream. And I can open up, again, my drive. Thanks for watching.